Alright boys, I've been gone for 1 week and now we have a vlogging talking Bigfoot, we have stormtroopers going on missions, a panda trying a bit of the Colombian spice, and all of these videos are getting millions and millions of views and being made by a brand new AI tool. If you've been living underneath a rock and you haven't been scrolling on your For You page for the last week, basically people are using this new AI tool. They're creating vlogs that look ultra realistic and actually like a person's filmed them. The one that's gone the most viral is the AI Bigfoot, and basically loads of people are just making Bigfoot do some hilarious crazy things, but he's doing it all from the perspective of he's vlogging it like a YouTuber, and this is something that we've never ever seen before because frankly AI has never been this good to produce high quality stuff like this. So I could literally sit here and watch these videos all day, but it's not just me, there are millions and millions of people consuming this content right now, which means it's time to make some money. It is time to capitalize on this. If you're here early, I'm going to expose the method right now on how people are doing this, how you can do it yourself, how you can make these Bigfoot AI vlogs, also how you can transform this idea and make something completely unique to bring in even more views. I just made this little Woody vlog, you know, Woody from Toy Story, and it turned out something like this.
What's up, posse? It's ya, Sheriff Woody, back with another survival vlog.
It actually took me 20 seconds to make that clip. Safe to say, if you don't know about this tool and you're not using this tool, you're going to get left behind. Anyways, enough waffling, let me get straight into the tutorial. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do, go over to Google VO3, click on the first link, go over to subscriptions, and you're going to want to scroll down until you find Google AI Pro, and as you can see here, £0 for 1 month, and down here it says limited trial of VO3. VO3 is the tool that we're going to be using, and it's the brand new tool from Google that allows you to create these realistic, crazy looking good videos, and right now it's the best time to do it because they're giving us a free trial. They're giving you basically a month to go viral on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and obviously if you've got a whole month to go viral and make some videos, you know, $18.99 after that, you know, you're going to be making a lot more money, so you know that you won't really feel this. But anyway, basically you want to sign up for this, and then once you've signed up for that, you want to go to a website called Google Flow. Now Google Flow is from Google Labs, and it is basically just where we're going to be using VO3, and it's going to say it out in all nice sort of way. But yeah, I'll leave a link to Google Flow down in the description. Then all we have to do is click onto this prompt builder, and we want to go over to filters over here. We want to change this to 1 per prompt, and then we want to click VO3 quality down here because obviously we want to be using the new VO3. Now this is where we want to be crafting our prompts, and when I tell you this isn't that hard to do, it really isn't. Now obviously we're going to go over to the tried and tested ChatGPT to sort us out some prompts. It is as simple as I'm creating a video with VO3. Can you make me a prompt for a story? Like this page here is amassed over 200,000 followers. And he's just using VO3 to create these stormtrooper vlogs. They look really cool as well. Like, look at this.
Came in from Vader's bitch ass, and me and Greg are headed to Endor. Forest mission, easy terrain, little recon work. Should be chill. Those little teddy bear looking things.
Free hammock because of you, Greg.
Like, it looks cool, don't get it twisted, it looks really cool. But this guy's kind of already doing that. This guy's doing haggis survival. It's just a haggis surviving out in the wild. He's just out here doing it. And this guy's also amassed over 12,000 followers with only 3 videos. His videos are blowing up. So my advice to you would be to create your own character, to create your own thing. And because VO3 is so powerful, you could literally do whatever you wanted. Now for this example, I'm just going to show you how to do the Bigfoot stuff. But just remember, you can do whatever you want with this. Can you make me a prompt for a story? Bigfoot in the story scares some campers for fun, and he is acting like he is vlogging the whole experience. Right, and then you're going to send that over to ChatGPT, and now ChatGPT knows how to craft prompts for VO3. It knows how to do it really well. So basically this is kind of all the heavy lifting really. We just need to feed this to VO3. So a massive hairy mischievous character with a goofy personality, a makeshift vlog cam, a tree branch with a phone duct taped to it, and is documenting his venture like a YouTuber. So this first part is the actual prompt for Bigfoot. You know, this is like the setting, and now the next part is going to be what he says in the videos. VO3 can only generate 9-second videos at a time, so we've got to make sure we, you know, only prompt for these 9 seconds. We don't ask it to do too much stuff or it's going to freak out. So we want to copy that part. We want to go back over to Flow, paste that in there, then go over back to ChatGPT, and then Bigfoot sneaks through the woods extra stealthily, whispering to the camera things like, "Alright squad, tonight we're going to be pranking some campers." This is just one part of the video. This is just one clip. paste that in, and we just want to send that off. And then this is where Google VO3 is going to start working its magic. It's where it's going to start going a bit crazy, and honestly it blows my mind that we have AI this good in 2025. What's good about Flow as well is you don't just have to wait until one's done to start the next one. So what I've done here is gone back into GBT, just copied the next parts of the story, put them into Flow here so you can see the prompt, and it's just what ChatGPT generated as in the first half, and it's just generating all the videos at once, so we don't have this long waiting time. We can just get straight into making the videos, which is the one of the best parts. I don't see any of the AIs really doing this. They normally limit you to just one at a time. Anyways, as these are generating, let's have a look at the first one that's generated. We've got Bigfoot.
All right, squad. Tonight, we're pranking some campers.
It's funny, it's funny, it's cool. I like it. I like it. It definitely gets the job done, and it is very easy to make. Now, one big problem that I can see here that VO3 sometimes does is sometimes it does forget to create a Bigfoot. This is it's created just a regular guy instead of Bigfoot. So it's not the end of the world if this happens. You can just recopy the prompt, this Bigfoot, personality description from the first one, and just paste it into that, and then just do it like that. That's probably how you're gonna have to write all of your prompts. Just have the description of Bigfoot at the start, and then below it just have what he does in the story. Otherwise it might give you generations of humans. Now, I thought VO3 might have been smarter than that. Maybe I was giving it too much credit, but this is probably how you should be using your prompts through VO3. Anyway, so we're gonna generate that and see what happens. I also generated this one as a funny one. As Bigfoot walks off into the woods, start filming, make sure he says subscribe to Nadob. Let's see what he does there.
Make sure to subscribe to Nadorb. Stay wild.
It's all right. It don't look as cool as he looks here. Like here he looks more human-y, and here he looks a bit more cartoony, if you know what I mean. But let's see what this one generates here. All right, so the updated generations are finished. So this is where we've put the actual description of Bigfoot and then the story piece. So let's see what they've generated here.
Oh my gosh, you guys, check this out. They have no idea. This is gonna be epic.
This is cool. This is cool. It's a lot better than the first one. What's happening here?
They are.
This is better.
Gotcha. ROAR.
It's a bit wild. It's okay, but as you can see, you probably need to mess around with the prompts a little bit more to create the exact scene that you want. I don't think VO3 is perfect, and I think you are going to have to just continue to mess around with the prompts to create the exact story that you want. Because like I said, sometimes, this first one, really cool.
All right, squad. Tonight, we're pranking some campers.
Like that's funny, that's cool. But then if it goes into, I don't know, this one, I don't know. It's this third one where it kind of loses it. So we'd probably have to regenerate this third one and instead ask it to do, let's just create Bigfoot's personality again, like a YouTuber, and then just do, you've just been pranked next to some campers. Something silly like that. Also, another idea for you lot is I've just asked ChatGPT here, I'll make a story with Woody from Toy Story hiding from Andy, and then I told it to make it into a vlogging like a YouTuber like we did with Bigfoot, and it's come up with this prompt here. So we just want to copy this and then paste this into VO3 while this generates. Now, I just want to show you that you can also make other stuff instead of Bigfoot stuff, because I reckon, Bigfoot's funny, and I think it's cool, and I think, it's going viral right now on TikTok. I think if you really want to stand out, and if you really want to make like other videos that have a high chance of going viral, you do want to go down the route of these Stormtrooper vlogs or these, Hagfield vlogs. Some stuff like this just, I think, will work better than the Bigfoot, which a lot of people have been making the Bigfoot videos. But again, it's the same premise. How we're making these Bigfoot videos is how you'd make, other videos. I've just done Woody from Toy Story as a random example, first thing that came to my head. But you could literally do this with anything, and you could create something very, very cool.
What's up, posse? It's Ya Sheriff Woody, back with another survival vlog. Today's mission, avoid being seen by the human, Andy. Let's get it.
Now, I think that video is better than these Bigfoot videos by a mile. I think we should have gone down the, this route. I think even though these Bigfoot videos are going viral, this is different, this is new, and it just looks a little bit better. I'll be honest, it just looks a little bit better. It's actually nailed Woody right there, which I didn't know if it would be able to do. Oh, it's just finished generating as this one.
All right, guys, Bigfoot here, and tonight we're gonna have some fun. Roar!
I don't know why it's made the humans roar, for God's sake. Honestly, I'm not sold with the Bigfoot one, but this Woody one, I reckon we could craft a better story with this. So if we just go you know, the cowboy runs over to the toy box to hide. Now what's weird about VO3 is a lot of these people are even making their videos 9:16, which means, you know, like in TikTok terms, they're actually just making them landscape. So, you know, if this guy's getting 1.2 million views doing it like this, we might as well just copy it and do it in landscape. So if we go back over to Flow and just download these videos, you can then just go over to CapCut, literally throw these over. See how it cuts there? We probably don't want that in the video, so we want to cut that and have it start here.
Just been pranked.
That's actually the final one, so obviously you want to have the clips in the right stage. So let's put that there. This bit, he says Bigfoot here again, which obviously we don't want. We just want him to carry on with the vlog. So we're going to cut that starting bit out to have it like this.
Tonight we're gonna have some fun. Roar!
And now it goes a bit weird because the campers start roaring. So let's just cut it to about there. And then just bring this one here. And then, you know, we could have the like, subscribe thing in. Again, we just want to cut most of that out, I'll be honest. And just have it so when he turns around.
Make sure to subscribe to Nadorb. Stay wild.
A nice little outro like that just finishes off the video in a nice way, in my opinion. So, you know, with a few prompts, you know, it's not perfect. VO3 is still new, it's in beta. Again, if you spent more time on this and made the prompts better and did a few more image generations, you could create a bit more of a seamless video. Also, the story could have been a bit better, but again, I'll just play it for you in full so you get the idea.
All right, squad. Tonight, we're pranking some campers.
Tonight we're gonna have some fun. Roar!
You've just been pranked. Make sure to subscribe to Nadorb. Stay wild.
Again, it's not perfect. Some of the scenes, you know, he's not like the same Bigfoot every single time. Like, he looks a bit different here. Honestly, if you're just on this flow thing and you just mess around with these prompts like I did, you could create a very cool video. And I just wanted to show you what was possible and what you can do. Now, again, I just want to reiterate, I don't know if I'd go down the Bigfoot route. I like this Woody idea. If I just play you this clip again.
It's Ya Sheriff Woody, back with another survival vlog. Today's mission, avoid being seen by the human, Andy. Let's get it.
I reckon that story and that type of video would do so much better than this Bigfoot one. Now, I'm not saying these Bigfoot ones won't go viral still. I reckon you'd still get views and clicks with them. But as we all know on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, trends move on fast. So you want to create something a bit unique. So I've shown you how to do this now. I've shown you how these people are generating these style of videos, and I've also shown you how to generate the prompts. I've shown you the work stage. So you now literally have the canvas, the paintbrush, and you can make whatever style of videos you want. Personally, I'd get down a pen and paper. I'd write down some, you know, ideas, some films, maybe some TV shows that a lot of people like, and I'd try to keep them, you know, kind of cartoony like this. I wouldn't go with real people because I don't know if VO3 is good with real faces yet, but I'd go cartoony. And I'd just create some vlogs. I'd just create some funny vlogs. Try think of some funny ideas that you could capture on vlogs. You know, just use VO3 to generate these videos, throw them over into CapCut, put them over to TikTok, and generate millions on millions of views. It's actually ridiculous how much these guys are getting.